Hey guys, how you doing? My name is Rich Guzman and welcome to Ace and Rich Freedom by Design. And in today's video, we are going to talk about how to create a YouTube channel and make money. Yes, making money with YouTube. All right, here's the first step, guys. Create a YouTube channel, okay? First of all, I just want to say, I know it's obvious, but most people, they want to create a YouTube channel, they want to take action, but they don't even get started. So make sure, guys, just get out of the way, create your YouTube channel and just get it going, all right? That's the first thing. Second thing I want to talk about is find out what you're passionate about. Do you like to talk about exercise? Do you like to talk about making money online? Do you like to talk about law of attraction, personal development? The list goes on and on and on. Are you a vegan? You know what I mean? I can go on and on with all these different subjects. But find out what you're passionate about so you can start creating content. So when you create the content, you can continue to be consistent and you're not going to feel like, oh, this is like a drag. I got to create a video. You want to be passionate about it. And if you're passionate about it, you're going to love what you do, guys. Okay? So the third step is be sure there is a demand for what you're going to be talking about. This is so crucial, guys, because if nobody's searching for it and there's no demand, why are you creating the content in the first place, right? And you might be saying, well, Rich, I've seen YouTube channels out there where people just talk about whatever. Yeah, but that is going to take years and years and years to get to a certain point where you can actually monetize. And it might not even be that much in the first place because YouTube's always changing their rules and things like that. So make sure that you focus on something that is in demand and people are searching for. That is a golden nugget, my friend. The next thing I want to talk about, which is the fourth step, is make sure that you sign up for an affiliate product or a system and sell a product that's related to your niche. Okay? Sign up for an affiliate product or system that is selling a product that's related to your niche. Okay? Very, very important. I can't stress that enough. The fifth step, start building an audience by creating content that is solving a problem in your market. And when you do this, you become the go-to person and you become the authority. And when you have authority, you have trust. And when you have trust, people buy from you. Okay? Very important. Now, the sixth step, guys, is please, please, please engage with your audience. In other words, like if you get a comment, reply back. YouTube, Google loves the fact when you actually are engaging with your audience by, replying to their comments because you're building a relationship. And when you establish a stronger relationship, people will trust you. And like I said, they'll buy from you. So make sure you engage with your audience. Even if it's just one comment when you're getting started, reply to them. Okay? And last but not least, this is so important. This is crucial. If you don't write anything down, make sure you write this one down because it'll save you years of headaches. Okay? Build your own list. And I'm going to say this again. Build your own list. The reason why is because YouTube is a platform that you don't own. Okay? You don't own YouTube. So they can pull the plug at any moment, and guess what? There goes all the audience that you took years to build when you could actually build your list and you own it in your own private database where you can communicate with them anytime you want. And guys, that is so powerful. If you haven't done that and you've been doing YouTube videos for a while and you haven't been building your list, this is the #1 way that you monetize your audience as you're building that audience over the years. Okay? So with that being said, guys, my name is Rich Guzman. Hope you enjoyed this content today. It was a good one. And make sure you smash that like button, comment, and subscribe. Be sure that if you're looking for a way to earn money online, our #1 recommended program is right below this video. Click on that, get on the list, and find out what all the magic is all about. So with that being said, we'll see you on a new video very soon. Bye now.